What up, YouTube, man? We back at it up out here on a late night. We finally found some legs we about to go pick up, even though we just left LA. That was an hour and a half of driving. We about to head back and do another, literally an hour and a half back out there to grab these legs to come back. So stay tuned. It's gonna be worth it for tomorrow though, because after that we get to put the bike on the back of the truck, call it a day, and head to the frame doctor. So it's gonna be game time. Everything is about to be on the way, man. Finally. What? Yes, sir. Yeah. Earlier. So we finally just made it back to the house, y'all. We went ahead and got the legs at the house in the garage. Finally, after a 3-hour drive, even though we just sit there and did another 3-hour drive earlier back to LA, but it's all good. We have to get the job done because now the bike is about to get finally complete to the frame doctor, man. So these are the legs and the front axle that we are putting onto the 2019 right here. This is when we're giving away with the truck. Now it looks crazy, but I'm telling you, after this week, it's gonna look A1, put back together, complete. We got all the paint literally over there. We got the last few pieces at Antonio's shop. The rims are going to be done this week. The powder coated parts are over there. So everything is about to be complete on this joint. As y'all know, I already got the bars on hand. So it's all about to come together, man. This bike is about to completely transform, but it's about to start tonight with these legs getting on there. And then we're about to swap it out. But y'all think this look good? Just wait on this one. So we got the legs right here. About to bolt these legs up. I honestly bought the cans from the dude, but he ended up leaving them. He was saying we could have went and followed him to his crib. I'm like, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow because he have the shocks I have to buy for this from him. So we're gonna grab those from him tomorrow. And then after that, I gotta grab the other top piece from my mom's house for this joint tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But we're about to throw these on tonight, put them enforcers on here to get it rolling. Like I said, this bike will have custom rims on it. I'll put a picture up. These are not the permanent wheels. These are just temporary for now to get it to the frame doctor and back. So that's going to be that though, man. Y'all see what's going on. Like I said, I couldn't get the exhaust off because it was bent up here in the front. But this is what a frame doctor is about to do. He's going to basically lay this bike flat on his table like he do with every other bike I give him. And he's going to heat all this up and straighten this front end out. So it's going to be good, y'all. I'm telling you, I can't wait. It's going to be lit. We got custom rims, powder coated parts, fresh paint, bars, custom rims. I'm trying to get that seat out the upholstery, have that thing fully wrapped, looking good. We're gonna have new mirrors, grips, and everything. This one got heated grips too. Now I see over here with the numbers right there, got the heated grip joints. But like I said, man, we're gonna have this thing on the way. We just getting it done little by little. But like I said, man, shout out to baby for driving 3 hours just now, because man, I'm telling you, I was in that seat knocked out. But we got the legs, man, so it's game time. Let's get this joint on here, get it to the frame doctor Monday morning so we can get a head start for the week and get everything on the way. Because I'm telling y'all, paint is done, powder coated pieces done. We just waiting on them rims, bars in the house, and then take action, execute it, man, get everything fresh, ready to go. I'm telling you, I can't wait. It's lit, man. It's time to go up and get this thing done. We only got a few spots left. That's why I'm in a rush. Not even a rush. I am in a rush, but I can't rush the process. But I just got an urge in me to get this bike complete, because I'm telling y'all, see how good that red one look? This one is going to look just as good, if not better. I'm telling y'all, that's the whole thing about it, man, is to keep elevating our game every time. Every bike, more and more and more. But the thing is, I have my new Road King coming this week from Texas. So I want to get this thing dropped off to the bay. It's almost there. Get this one running tomorrow. Get this to the dyno. That'll be out. Then this is for sure going to the frame doctor Monday morning. So we'll have damn near all 3 of these bikes out of here with my new bike coming. So stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, it's lit, man. I cannot wait, man. Not gonna lie, man, this heater is working good. But I did listen to all y'all on my YouTube comments. I appreciate all of y'all in the most way possible. I promise y'all. We got the door over there cracked, and the bottom of this is like, it got an open vent area right here because leaves always come in. So we got some airflow in this joint, man. But the heater's keeping us warm right now. We got one of the legs, and if y'all doing this like I'm doing, man, please get y'all some Harley Davidson grease. This grease right here save everything. All-purpose special grease. Been using this thing for the past 2 years. It come through and make everything easier when it comes to putting these wheels and axles and legs like this. I'm telling y'all, when you grease it like that, it make it so much easier. I'd have had the hammer trying to hit them in the older style bikes for sure, but The more you do it, you're going to find them little secret ways to make it easier for yourself than giving yourself a headache. But we got it going, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. It's about to be a complete transformation. Y'all don't even understand, dude. I'm trying to really get these orange washers for this joint. They're really turning up that much better. But I'm telling y'all, stay tuned. We got it going. Little by little, we making it add up every day, transforming this joint. But I'm about to put this other leg on, get these wheels on this joint so we can get this thing dropped off, man. So I finally got one of the, I got the front wheel on there with the driver's side brake caliper bolted on there, torqued down. This right side is hella annoying, and I swear to you, some of these bikes come in and crash, and these damn brake calipers be frozen. That shit is so fucking irritating. Like, I swear to you, trying to sit here and open it up, and that's exactly why I'm gonna probably go single disc brake on this shit, because I don't got time for that. These Brembo brakes are trash. Like, I swear to y'all, everybody goes so crazy for them. Them shits are trash. I'm about to give me some PM or Arlen Essence or something, because I swear, that's my thing with this bike. I'm trying to do the suspension and the stuff that people never really do. But anyway, fuck that brake. I don't even care about it. I'm about to put this back wheel on, get the other piece over here for the kickstand, and then we're going to be good to go, man. I got to get this thing stripped for them and get it ready to go so they could just lay it down and get everything on the way. Now, usually they bring me my bike back with the harness off of it, and I want to take it off, but there's certain things that I can't get off because, like, how the exhaust is smashed on there, so I can't get certain wires behind that. So we're going to just wait, but I'll get them a call tomorrow. Well, no, not tomorrow. They close tomorrow, Monday morning, and we'll go from there. But I'm about to get this back wheel on and call it a day because we getting some progress on this joint. I just want to get this thing at least rolling so I don't got to worry about doing it tomorrow. I honestly want to load it on my truck tonight just to make it easier, so that way tomorrow I can have way more space in here to complete this and to get that thing done. So that's the whole thing about it, man. We're trying to get everything on the road to greatness, but we getting there little by little, man. I'm telling you, y'all see the progress just from yesterday. We got this thing together. This thing is finally about to be a roller again, so then we got to worry about swapping the forks. We got another good set, so when this come back, we're gonna powder coat these up. Y'all see how that is with the gray? We're gonna powder coat that up so it can look like this, blacked out. So stay tuned, man. We got it coming to y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. So I finally got one of the, I got the front wheel on there with the driver's side brake caliper bolted on there, torqued down. This right side is hella annoying, and I swear to you, some of these bikes come in and crash, and these damn brake calipers be frozen. That shit is so fucking irritating. Like, I swear to you, trying to sit here and open it up, and that's exactly why I'm gonna probably go single disc brake on this shit, because I don't got time for that. These Brembo brakes are trash. Like, I swear to y'all, everybody goes so crazy for them. Them shits are trash. I'm about to give me some PM or Arlen Essence or something, because I swear, that's my thing with this bike. I'm trying to do the suspension and the stuff that people never really do. But anyway, fuck that brake. I don't even care about it. I'm about to put this back wheel on, get the other piece over here for the kickstand, and then we're going to be good to go, man. I got to get this thing stripped for them and get it ready to go so they could just lay it down and get everything on the way. Now, usually they bring me my bike back with the harness off of it, and I want to take it off, but there's certain things that I can't get off because, like, how the exhaust is smashed on there, so I can't get certain wires behind that. So we're going to just wait, but I'll get them a call tomorrow. Well, no, not tomorrow. They close tomorrow, Monday morning, and we'll go from there. But I'm about to get this back wheel on and call it a day because we getting some progress on this joint. I just want to get this thing at least rolling so I don't got to worry about doing it tomorrow. I honestly want to load it on my truck tonight just to make it easier. So that way tomorrow I can have way more space in here to complete this and to get that thing done. So that's the whole thing about it, man. We're trying to get everything on the road to greatness, but we getting there little by little, man. I'm telling you, y'all see the progress just from yesterday. We got this thing together. This thing is finally about to be a roller again. So then we got to worry about swapping the forks. We got another good set. So when this come back, we're going to powder coat these up. Y'all see how that is with the gray? We're going to powder coat that up so it can look like this blacked out. So stay tuned, man. We got it coming to y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. So we done got some progress on this joint. We got the back wheel finally on there, bolted down. That back brake was not as difficult as that front one, but I only know it's because these brakes be seized up from getting accidents. I know because I've done it before. When I first got my first bike, I slammed on the brakes and locked it up and popped the brake line. So it got something to do with that, but we got it going though. We finally got this thing on twos, man, so I'm feeling good. All we got to do is get this bracket over here. I got to move A's bike out the way. Get this bracket and get that kickstand on. And then we're going to roll this joint onto the truck. Man, I'm telling y'all, I would do it right now, especially since it's not raining. So we're going to see what's going on, man, because I'm trying to get this thing on the road to greatness, man. I'm telling y'all, it's been a long time coming, but we finally here, man. I'm telling y'all, it's lit, man. I can't wait. Garage lit up. Got the bike coming together. I'm trying to really chill out, but it's 1 in the morning, and it's so hard because I really need this done. I've been waiting on it to get to this point without having to keep taking those legs off of that one. So it's finally perfect, but let's get back to it, man. We got to just finish putting the last little stuff on, and then we're going to be there. But y'all see the picture, man. We got it going. That's for sure. Yes, sir, man. We finally got this thing fully on there. It's so funny. Look at that one bright orange piece. That's why I can't wait till this bike is done. Y'all really just don't understand. Look how bright this red is. So please, just imagine the orange. I'm telling y'all, it's going to go up. It's going to go up, man. I can't believe it. We got this thing on twos with the kickstand. We got no spring, but we got it on the way, man. I'm telling y'all. We frame Dr. Ready. And I'll show y'all the time because it's something serious right now. Joke, it is 12:42. We get to it though, man. We're about to load this thing on the truck. Yes, sir. Now that's what you call a fucking success, man. I'm telling y'all, we just drove 3 hours, came back, knocked out, and she just helped me put it on the truck, man. I'm telling y'all. That's why I love that girl. We got that work in, man. I'm telling you, I'm excited. We got that thing finally on the truck, headed to the frame doctor Monday. I'm telling y'all, it's time to get it in. Now we only got these 2 bikes in here. He about to get to the dyno, and that one's about to be on the way to the bay. I'm telling y'all, I'm so excited. That's what I love to do, man. It's execute. That's what we doing, man. I'm telling y'all, we getting it in every day. That consistency is the key, y'all. Come back a little bit more. This thing is on the truck, man. Yes, sir. Frame Dr. Ready, baby. Ready to go. Now I don't got to do it 5 in the morning. We sliding though, man. Yes, sir, man. I am loving it. This is exactly what I've been telling you for the past few days, man. We done finally got one out. This one's next and that one's next. Now it's going to be all three out of here waiting on the new joint. But like I said, we getting it in, making progress, man, every day. And everybody always saying, man, why you still got that blue Road King? I'm going to need you to stop being bothered with this bike, man. I'm telling y'all, stop being so bothered. Well, it's still there. Why does it matter? Why y'all worried about the homie bike so much, man? Why y'all worried about it so much? Don't trip. It's going to come out when it come out. And it's time. When this thing already damn near been done. But like I said, we got big plans for this joint. Big photo shoot. Everything above and beyond, man. So stay tuned, man. So I'm telling y'all, this week is about to be the week y'all gonna want to tune in and see greatness and see these things rolling up out of here, man. Because I'm telling y'all, it's about to go up like no day before, man. So stay tuned. We getting it in, working, making it happen, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the joints in the garage. Y'all see what's going on. We got the joints in this joint, man. Telling y'all, man, y'all got to get in to win it. You can get a bike built by Dre yourself, man. We giving away that bike on the back of the truck with the truck for $25 right now. You get the enter to win in the description below on BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. That same bike is going to be really juiced up when it's all said and done. Powder coated parts, 2318 bars, beat feet, everything you need, man. You already know what's going on. We got the Roadglide special, and it's crazy on there. They have some drag specialty spark plugs and something else. I can't wait to hear the first startup. Don't let that motor be built, because, boy, I'm going to go all in. And I already was going to do like a quick cam job on it, but we're going to see once we get the first startup. But if it's not, I'm most definitely putting my taste and my touch on it, so we're going to go from there. So if y'all enter to win that joint, just know y'all about to get the full combo from your boy Dre for $25 right now, man. So make sure you get you a sliding keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, or a sliding, not hiding keychain, man, because y'all see what's going on. We're getting it in every day, all day, man. But I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow, man. It's literally about 108, baby. So catch y'all in a minute, man. We sliding though.